We're in bed and we just woke up and it's 10:30. Say hi to the vlog. Give vlog with teacher.
Give vlog with teacher.
So now we're gonna go get some coffee and
maybe go get some groceries.
yeah. So come along with us for our day, y'all. Mommy loves you too. Guys, oh my god. I got the thing I was telling you about that's gonna make my vlogs better. You wanna see what it is? A fucking new lens. It's a wide lens. So instead of just seeing this, you guys are gonna see more, which I am really excited for. I love the way wide lenses look. So I'm really excited. Oh my god, this is like so small. Whoa! Can you guys see better? We just got you a prescription. Can you see better? Oh my god, we got a wide angle lens. Look at this. Oh my god, you guys can see so much more. I don't know if I like it. Trevor and I are going to get coffee. And I love my new lens. I'm really excited.
Good.
It just feels like the right thing, you know?
Thank you, you too. Wow, that looks delicious. So
We got Starbucks. That's so random because we never get Starbucks, but Trevor suggested and I was like, honestly, I'm down because I wanted a good breakfast item. I got a fucking crazy drink, so let's try it. Yum! Now we're actually going to a tire shop because we needed an alignment so bad. So we're gonna see if we can get an alignment today. Fun adult things. And I have a doctor's appointment this week I'm not excited about.
I'm excited for it now.
It's a physical.
Oh, really? Hell yeah.
When's the last time you got a fucking physical? You know what I'm saying?
High school.
I know, and they like look at your boobs and your vagina and stuff.
They didn't do that to me.
Well, yeah, because you don't have boobs or a vagina.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we couldn't get an alignment because we realized it's Sunday and every single tire place is closed on Sundays. But we are at Winco. We're gonna get some groceries. Let's go. Okay, I just got groceries. I'll give you guys a haul when we get back. But it was kind of funny because the girl said, "Where do I know you from?" And I am not gonna be the person to say, "Oh, TikTok or YouTube." No, nope. So I was just like, she's like, "Did you go to this high school?" I was like, "No, I didn't." It was funny, but now we're gonna go to Trader Joe's because they have such good snacks at Trader Joe's. And we're hoping they also sell poppies because we love poppies. We're addicted.
Puppy?
And Trevor needs to refill his fridge, his streaming fridge. So
Puppies would be a good substitute.
yeah, so we're gonna go to Trader Joe's now. Hey guys, we're gonna do a little pink Red Bull taste test because I have yet to try it. I'm really excited. Trevor said it's really good. Cheers.
More cleaner or cotton candy?
It tastes like cleaner. Tell me it tastes like a Red Bull. It doesn't.
It tastes like strawberry lemonade.
It does taste, yeah, it tastes like lemon. That's what I'm getting. So we just went to Trader Joe's. Boom.
Damn.
We might have gone a little overboard, but to be honest, we just got all snacks and like easy meals and stuff. And you guys, the lady was so nice in there. I feel like every single time they're really nice, but she was so nice.
Chuck's Produce there went that nice.
Yeah, we went to Chuck's just because, and they were just fucking cunts in there. Like, I just feel like that's kind of the name of the game. Like, the lady who checked us out was just so rude. She didn't say, "Have a good day." She didn't say hi. She didn't say nothing. And we just had the best conversation with the girl at Trader Joe's, so take that how you will. Okay, we're back home. And you know what I just realized? It's 1 p.m. Oh, that's the ambulance. I was like, what the fuck is that? I haven't even edited my YouTube video yet. Fuck. Okay, so Trevor got this. Also got Voss because he wanted to try it. Which, fun fact, we've been to Voss, Norway.
I got this too. And I'm super excited for. It's called Alive. It's root beer. And it's ancient mushroom elixir.
Okay, quick grocery haul. Let's go. Noodles. French toast sticks. butter, cottage cheese, 2 gallons of milk, as you can see, eggs and Parmesan, chicken. Trevor got these after we tried the ones from Costco. Good. They're so good. A big thing of rice. We're gonna have to get like a really big thing of rice next. I wanna get like a rice dispenser. I need to start an Amazon wish list. But I want a rice dispenser for my counter because we practically eat rice every day.
Have you ever had Voss water? It tastes exactly like it came straight from the spring. Like it tastes like minerals and water. Shit. I know, but it tastes like a little bit like almost you bought it from the dollar store, but with a Louis Vuitton tag on it. You know what I mean?
We also got this. I'm really excited for. It's Krillo's Pickle de Gallo Ziploc. I got 2 of these Built Bars. I got flowers to have really pretty bouquet. These are the ones Trevor picked out. They're rainbow baby's breath, and I thought that these would look cute together for some color, and I like. Also got eucalyptus. From Trader Joe's, we got mini turtles, soft licorice twist, salted edamame. This is like the best flatbread from Trader Joe's. It's so good. Shrimp bao, pork and ginger dumplings, strawberry mochi, tzatziki, and these drinks that are so good, agua de kefir.
Oh, this guava paloma looks really good. I like the coloring of it.
Cheerios, celery, carrots, green beans, lettuce, and some straws, sausage, broccoli, and a cuke. We also got a rotisserie chicken because I'm gonna make chicken noodle soup tonight. And we got blue corn tortilla and crunchy curls, of course. And then for my sweet little treat, I got the dark chocolate peanut butter cups from Trader Joe's. And that was our haul. Thank you for coming. Please ignore the mess over there. So beautiful. Okay, burnt the fuck out of myself on the steam cleaner. So that was fun. It almost exploded. We'll see how bad the burns are in a little bit, but I thought I'd film because I'm gonna try this Krillo's pickle de gallo. Fucking A, bitch. This shit burns. Making a little DIY cast. Paper mache, if you will. We have some blue tortilla chips. These are one of our faves. Okay, let's try pickle de gallo.
Pico?
It tastes like cowboy caviar, but with pickles.
Oh, that's a big one. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Dinner is done. Yum, yum, yum. So excited. We're watching the new season of 1923. There's only 2 episodes out. Hey guys.
Set for 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Trevor and I are officially going to bed now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if this new lens actually looks good, like on the vlog. Because I really like it, but I'm like, is it that much of a difference? I don't even know. Burnt my shit really bad. I don't know if it'll show up because it's like way overexposed. Burnt myself the worst. Yeah, it's not even showing up. Okay, whatever. Trevor and I are going to bed.
I'm so tired.
Love you guys so much. We'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Okay, bye.